Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as two individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. Just a reminder of the big picture that we settled a couple of weeks ago above a descending one-year channel top, that up until that point in time, we were anticipating the possibility for meaningful bearish rotation as we continued into the third quarter. Wasn't to be. Having closed above the 205.87 channel top then indicated probably a good low for the year, and 327.58 a 3 to 5 month objective. And you can see here where we've pushed to within at least halfway there in just a few weeks, and that pace can continue or at least resume above this rising channel top on the daily chart at 243.01. Now we've added a rising speed line that is closing fast in on that area at 233.39. So the way I'm framing this is you're buying pullbacks down to 243.09. You might add 233.39 to the mix, but in terms of playing the short side now, in terms of pivoting south as we move into August trade, that comes with a settlement below 233.39. So I could have an up pivot here at 243.01 and a down pivot at 233.39. That would be appropriate. 237.98 is, of course, that 5/8 Fibonacci. Do I show it anywhere? No, I do not. I guess we've kind of erased it. Is it here? No, there it is. Yes, 237.98 is a 5/8 Fibonacci that we have had in place for the last few weeks, and we closed above it at the very same time that we closed above this rising channel top. So buying pullbacks in the 243.09 region, and then reversing and going short if we were to close below 233.39. And you can see, if you put both in the same chart, that this area is over the next 2 weeks or so converging entirely. That rising 1/3 speed line is rising at a steeper pace than the channel top itself. But this is your solid zone of support, rising and narrowing gradually, able to absorb selling through August perhaps, and above which we should retest 265.13 over the next 3 to 5 days or less. We don't have any more pivot points here. I mean, all of these levels have been carefully chosen, so they're all very tradable for aggressive day traders. Once again, aggressive day trader for me is someone who trades throughout the day. They don't have a number in mind. Maybe they trade 2 or 3 trades. Maybe they trade 8 or 10 trades, scalping several points at a time. But all of these are meaningful levels that you can use. But if you're looking for the next, this could be 1 to 5 days. I call it the 3 to 5 day time frame. You're buying 243.01, holding out for 265.13, where we can again place a daily high. Now we are expecting a violation of 265.13, as I've already mentioned, holding above this 243.83 rising channel top. We'll keep 327.58 in reach over the next 2 to 3 months. Maybe I didn't mention that in this video. I mentioned how 327.58 is a 3 to 5 month target, and holding above 243.83 makes it a 2 to 3 month objective. And on the way up, we have these price points. 265.13 we've had for some time, can contain daily highs, but if we close today above 265.13, and we should today, Wednesday, I'm going to say by Friday's close, reach 278.98. That is that September high from 23. In stair-step fashion up to 289.52. That is our next 3-star weekly resistance area. So holding above 243.01 maintains a 2 to 3 week objective at 289. 289.52 and a 2 to 3 month objective at 327.58. It's about as simple as that. If we were to sort of break down the day trade scenario, that once again, there's not much between 243.01 and 265.13 that I'm comfortable telling you, to stick your neck out and trade one way or the other. But, there's certainly levels inside of this. If we close above 265.13, I don't see us revisiting 243.01 in the coming week or two. I think we'll reach 289.52 within 1 to 2 weeks, a 2 to 3 week objective already. Let's take a look at the downside. I don't see that happening today, and I don't think you do either. But if we do close below 233.39, that is your reversal signal. In other words, if you've been bottom picking the low 240s into the upper 230s, if we were to close below 233.39, it is reverse and go short. Yes, we can bounce for a day at 220.50, a downside 3/8 over the last 4 months, but it is then considered 202.03 to 205.50, a 1 to 2 week objective. If we close below 233.39 today, reverse, go short into the low $2 area, 202.03 to 205.50, rising channel bottom, former descending channel top that is longer term in scope, about a year in the making, and this area able to absorb selling not only through August, but even possibly the balance of the year, because that 202.03 formation is shown well here on the weekly chart at 205.87, able to contain selling through the rest of the year, and above which 327.58 remains a 3 to 5 month target. If we were to close below the 205.87 formation in the coming weeks, that's a significant sell signal as we move into September. I'm just not going to go there because I don't think it's likely, and we're so far off that mark right now, there's no point to it. Once again, bullish above 243.01 into August trade. Don't be short if your time horizon is 2 to 3 weeks and beyond above 243.08. And if we close below 233.39, then yes, don't be long Tesla as we continue into August trade, because the following couple of weeks should then yield 202.03 to 205.58, where a buy opportunity presents through the rest of the year. I think that pretty much, finishes it out. I'm going to leave it at that for Wednesday's Tesla report. Of course, I'll be back tomorrow with Thursdays. You have a great day.